if you have a local business, you know the keywords that people are searching for, right? You just kind of have a gut feeling, and that's just a matter of you doing some research thereafter. There are a lot of platforms out there that you can do keyword research and going in there and seeing how much volume there is in that keyword research, but more specifically, how much volume in your local area. That's what's important. So how does this local search grid help? It helps you to figure out which keywords to work on, right? So, like for example, what we just saw, homes for sale and houses for sale. She's not ranking for those keywords. Now, the other thing to consider is, which keywords do you use? Which keywords do you focus on? And that's if you have a local business, you know the keywords that people are searching for, right? You just kind of have a gut feeling, and that's just a matter of you doing some research thereafter. There are a lot of platforms out there that you can do keyword research and going in there and seeing how much volume there is in that keyword research, but more specifically, how much volume in your local area. That's what's important. And you can use a combination of those tools, or you can also look at Google Business Profile once you set it up and looking at the performance and seeing what keywords you're coming up with. That's a place to start when you can look at your performance on your Google Business Profile and see what keywords that you're pulling up and then decide which one you want to focus on. You can do it that way. Looking at the local search grid also enables you to figure out which areas you want to focus on. Um, and which areas you don't want to focus on. Maybe there are certain, like for example, real estate agents, maybe there are certain areas certain markets that you want to tackle. Like maybe you're into the luxury market, and so you want to tackle certain areas in those luxury properties where the luxury properties are located in. So then you can hone in on those areas and also hone in on the keywords that are specific to those areas as well. Find out more about this course. It's called Local. You can go to Local 360 Academy, and that's where you find, you put in your name and your email address, and then optionally your phone number, and I will send you more information and also take you to the page where it will provide more information as well. So Liz asked, how did you find the grid? So as I said, you can go to Bright Local. That's what we utilize. So what we did was we took Bright Local's interface. We kind of put it into our platform, and so that way I could help with our clients. Okay, so if you want to get it through your on your own, there you go to brightlocal.com, and that's where we utilize their platform. I don't remember what the cost is per month, but there is a cost associated with it. But if it's something that you might be interested in, just having us look at it and just analyze it, just reach out to me, and we can work something out. We can pull the results for you so that you don't have to incur the cost of the monthly cost associated with it. But in any case, we do this for our clients, but I haven't thought about doing it as a one-off thing, but something to think about. On that note, I hope that was helpful, Liz. And I think there's also SEM Rush is also another, the SEMrush.com. They also have a service that you can utilize as well. Okay, but we use Bright Local for specifically for this one. And let me just show you right now for those that are interested. Like if you look at this, it says there are credits used. So every time you run a report, it uses credits. So there is a cost associated with it. And so we of course, take that into consideration when we work with our clients, because that's a cost. And then, the time that it takes us for us to set it up, to figure out the keywords and things like that. So all right, so I hope that was helpful. Have any questions? Put your questions below. Really thinking about, what is my niche and what is my, the value that I really want to provide. My heart is really for local businesses because I had a real estate business and I struggled to generate leads. I struggled. So, I spent so much time on so many different ways of marketing, and my goal for this channel really is to help you find and leverage time so that you're not constantly having to pay ads. You're not constantly having to utilize be on the social media, because I'm not a social media guy. So the goal of this channel is to create content to have leads coming to you on autopilot. That's ultimately what my channel and what I'm about. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Okay, bye now.